Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my importation practical class. And in today's practical class, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can purchase your goods from 1688 website and import it to your desired country. Now, all you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video and see how you can place your first order on 1688. Now, after you have done your research, checking of so many different type of manufacturer on the site. So it is the next thing for you is to decide to purchase. All right. So, but before you make a purchasing decision, there are some factors you need to consider, such as the quality of the product, the review of the product, and the availability of the product, and how long your supplier can deliver the product. Those are the things you need to put into consideration. Now, another thing to put into consideration is your logistic. You have to contact your logistic company and notify them of you are importing a particular product. So let me show you an example of a logistic company I'm going to use for this importation. So I'll go to my WhatsApp now. So I'm going to I'm using this company to ship my products for me. All right, so you can see the instruction given by my shipping company that anything from March, they will from 4th March rejected and refuse to send goods of less than 3 kg. This simply means that if your whatever you want to purchase must go beyond 3 kg before they can ship the goods. They ship normal goods and they ship special goods. All you have to do is to make sure that you contact your your shipping company. Then once you have their terms of service, the price and the delivery, they will tell you everything. Then the address below here is what you need for your Chinese supplier. So this is the logistic company warehouse address in China. So is the address I'm going to give the supplier. So they will send the goods there, and from there we'll send the goods down to your desired country. So now let's go back to the site. In On 1688, one of the other thing you know is that before you make a purchase, you need to contact the supplier. So how do you do that? You need to make use of 1688 apps. So I'm going to click on my 1688 app now. So now I've been talking with this supplier for quite some time. Let me go to the product. Okay. So this is still loading. So this is the product I'm planning to import for this particular period of this month. So I'm going to import this shoe here. It's a lady shoe, and the price here is between the 19 yuan and upward. And I need to confirm the review of this product before I can buy. So I have to click on the review. So let's see what people say about the product. So this product has 100 plus review. So now if I translate all this page now into English language, so sorry. So global translate. All right, so system by default. So this system by default means that the buyer does not have time to make a review. But the buyer that make a review here is said satisfied. He bought 2. You can see it there. So scroll up. So you just need to check in all the reviews. Okay, there's one here. It even snap the picture. Let's see. So you can see the shoe. So you see the picture on the site is the same thing with the shoe they deliver. So you can see it. A very high quality leather and a flat sole shoe. So let me go back. Now let's hear what the buyer say. Buy to where the price is reasonable. Ha ha ha. So this buyer here just buy. You can see by the people that use it. So you need to have a review from the people that use the products. So everything here is 5-star. So which is that if you buy from this supplier, you are in very safe hand. Okay. So let's go back. So another thing to consider is the number, the company name. Let's check the company name. That's the company name. They are very genuine. So service quantity and the other products sold by this supplier here, but I'm not interested in this one. So this is the one I'm interested. This is the graphic image of the product I'm interested. You can see the shoe. I show the shoe. So you can see, So now what I need to do now is that I need to contact, you need to contact the supplier and let them know that you are interested in their product. Then you chat with them. All right. So you can as well watch the product picture. See, you can see the product picture. Now, if you want to download this product picture, pause the play, then click on this three dot here and click on download. So sometimes you download the product picture just to run Facebook advertisement. So it has been downloaded. Now, what I needed to do is to go back to my apps, and I click on this icon here, which means I want to chat the supplier. Then I click on here to message them. Now, so in this regard, you can see I have been chatting with this supplier before I make a decision to buy from them. So the first question I asked here is hello. Then she replied me, or she replied me, hello, my dear. This is my message. Hello. You understand? Now, when we get to some point, I ask this supplier, can he speak English? Now, he asked me to go ahead and he will translate the message so that we can understand ourselves very much better. So in some cases, you can ask your supplier if they can speak English, you are good to go. And it will be very much easy and convenient for you to communicate with them. But if they don't speak English, you have to communicate with them in Chinese. So how do you communicate in Chinese? You have to click on this type bar here and convert your type into character like this. Then you type. So let's say, for instance, I type hello. You see, it's going to, you can see it has been converted into Chinese. So I'll click on the blue button to send. But now I'm not sending any message to this supplier. So because we have done with our chat. Okay, say, okay, boss. So what I asked here, he was trying to tell me to have more style to this particular shoe. But I told him I'm working within the budget of 200 yuan, which is the amount for about 10 pairs of this shoe. Now, only by a way in your country, it's trying to say, by the way, in your country, who wear this kind of shoe, young women or old women? So he's trying to ask me question about the people in my country that wear this type of shoe. So I will tell him now that women between the age of 20 to 40, let's put it in that bracket. So I'm going to send it to him. So he's going to reply me. So he's trying to have a survey from me so that it will help them to produce in the nearest future. That is how some suppliers do. So now, if they are in online, they will reply immediately. But if they are not online, you can see also for young, I will say yes. I will say yes. Yes. Between the ages of between the ages of 6 to 20, 20, 25. Let's put it in that age bracket. So you're going to reply me. Now, this is in this regard, if you need a custom order, this is how you communicate with the supplier also. You tell them you need a custom order. They are going to do whatever you make a request because they need your money. They are manufacturer. So they produce a lot, and this is how communication goes. between me and this particular supplier. In some cases, if a supplier asks you to send your particular product picture, all you have to do, you see this plus button here. When you click on it, then you select, if you have the product picture, you send it. If you have camera video of the product, you send it. So that is how you select any one of the medium that you want to use to send your picture to the supplier. Then you send it. They will say, okay, we can manufacture it, we can do this, we can do that for you. Yeah. So you say between the age of 6, and they say yes. So now, but my own case now is I'm buying this product, this particular product here. Let's see the picture. Uh, the screenshots make the product is, so as a screenshot that is not that quality, so it's not the shoe. 6 is kids. This is for woman, not for kids. I know. I'm buying to sell. Some kids also wear this type of shoe in Nigeria. Yeah. So now we have finalized the talk, and there's nothing much for me to discuss with this seller. So the next thing for me is to go and place my order. So how do we place our order? That's the next thing I'm going to show you. Now, for you to place order, it is advisable to use your Google Chrome. So it will be very much easy for you to understand the language easily. So what I'm going to do now is I will go back to the home page. I'll click on this icon, then I'll select my product from this point here. Then I'll click on here, the product link. Then I will copy the product link like this. Try to make a copy. Okay. Sorry. I'm having network issue. So I'm going to copy the product link. Let me ask the seller to send me the link. Let me check whether this is the link he's trying to send me. Because I'm trying to copy the link from that side. I'm unable to copy it. Okay. He's trying to advertise another product for me. So what I will do is that I will go back here and I'll make a screenshot of that product. Sorry. So I'll come back here. So I'll make a screenshot. Then I'll go back to chat. There's the company. This is the company. Then I will ask for, so I would click here. I will select the picture. I will select this, and I'll click on this. Then I will ask him now, can you send me link? Because I'm trying to copy the link, but it does not copy. Okay, let me hear from him. So it's going to send me the link. Here's the product I'm going to buy. So it will send me the link, and I'll follow it up and start my order. So he has sent me the link. So I'll click on the link now. Let's see. Okay, so the link is correct. So I'll just say thanks. You will hear from me now. You will hear from me soon. Thank you. You will hear from me soon. All right, so I'll copy the link now. So let me translate and see which one is copied. So remove, forward. So I'll click on this, copy. Now, having copied the link, I will now go to my Google Chrome. So remember, your Google Chrome has to be a latest version. That's very much important.